Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at this question called distinct values subarrays. So this is from the cses problem set. I think this is from basic sorting and searching section. So it says that you are given an array of n integers and you need to count the number of subarrays where each element is distinct, right? This is what you need to count. So let's just take an example. This is the test case given in the question. So you need to find the number of subarrays. So see, individually all of them are distinct definitely. So 4 plus, if you take this one, this is distinct here also and here also. So 4 plus 3, and then this subarray you cannot take because this is not distinct. One is being repeated, and but you can take this. So basically one more, right? So basically there are 8 subarrays which are distinct, like which contain only distinct elements, right? Okay, so for solving this we will use a two pointer approach. Before that, let me just explain you what happens. So see, it's something like this, that if you find an element that's uh, like not yet been repeated, then you will simply proceed to the next element and push it, right? But then to see till the time I don't get element that's repeated, I don't have a problem, right? I can just count the number of subarrays and keep adding them with every element, right? But when I get a repetition, then there's a problem, right? I just can't add. So what I need to do is I need to remove this, and see, you can again from this element, if you bring a pointer from uh, the repetition, so then like you if you just bring your pointer after the repetition, then from here you can again start making unique subarrays, right? So basically the idea is that you will have two pointers, one is your left one and one is your right one, and what you'll do is till the time you get repetition of any element, right, you will just keep adding and calculate the answer and uh, like add it every time, right? Like update it every time. But once you find an element that's repeated, then what you will do is you will like remove all elements till that repetition, and then you will add. So the point is, like we have a right pointer first, like the right pointer will use in the loop. So it will be something like this, that for int r equal to 0, r less than n, r plus plus, and now the left pointer works something like this, that we will basically see if, like we'll take a set that contains integer values called s, and we will see that if s dot count of a of r exists or not. So till the time that count exists, right, we will keep incrementing our left pointer. So we will do l plus plus, and before that we'll erase it from the set. So we will erase s dot erase of a of l, right? And we will stop this, and then like if we don't find any count, right, or till the time we are done finding that particular count, we will basically increase our right pointer and we will update our answer. So answer needs to be updated and you need to add. So how many subarrays are possible? Like let's say if you take 1 2, so how many subarrays are possible? 1 2 and like 1 and 2 individually, and 1 comma 2 you can take. So basically it is always your right pointer minus your left pointer plus 1. So you will always add r minus l plus 1 to this, and you will stop this loop, right? And then finally you have to see out your answer. Okay, so that is the whole explanation of this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you.